was born in St. Petersburg in Russia, we all got special medals that we've been born there. So actually I have a proof that I was born in Leningrad. As my friends always like to say, that we've been born in a city that doesn't exist and in a country that no longer exists as well. My father always wanted to leave Soviet Union. My mother not, but finally something had broken her as well. I remember all steps, selling things, collecting suitcases, I remember, but it's all like in a fog. I didn't know where we are going. The first picture I can remind myself that I remember now, that's palm trees in the dark, and then very weird road through the airport to Jerusalem in the beginning, but then nothing. So there was nothing.
I was born in Moscow, in a good neighborhood. Had a great childhood, by the way. My mother and father and all the guys and girls around were really holy people, most of them. The good things coming from home, not from school, usually. Especially when you grew up in like Soviet Union and stuff. So I was taught exactly about the right things.